Hey guys, this is Jack from Geek Assets and the Raleigh Crypto Society newsletter, and had to do a quick update this morning. It's basically 9 o'clock on February 11th, and I wanted to get this out to people that have been watching our YouTube coverage of cryptocurrencies and passive income opportunities. And this is just a quick update for people that have been watching, as well as our subscribers to the newsletter. The newsletter is not public for anybody else yet. We will let you know when you can sign up for the newsletter. If it's not family and friends, we will let you know real soon. So the reason for this quick update this morning, woke up this morning, we're looking at CoinMarketCap right now, and one of the coins that we've been accumulating and our followers have been accumulating is called the Graph. Well, the Graph, we started accumulating that at a price of 32 cents, 32 cents. And that was only about maybe within the last 3 months. And I'm going to show you what happened last night, just to show you the power of what can happen with these coins in a very quick way. So this is the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. This coin, the Graph here, was in the 80s, when we probably 80s or 90s when we started watching it. Last night, this coin shot up. It's currently at $1.67, up 55% overnight, 102% over the last 7 days. Insane. So we were buying this at 32 to 35 cents. Obviously, many of our followers bought in a little bit later than that. Subscribers that started getting the newsletter in the last month. But incredible one way or the other. So this is a huge move. And I'm showing you this because I want to show you why this moved. So it's been moving up steadily, but for it to go 55, 56% overnight, something had to happen. And it certainly wasn't a pump and dump. This wasn't that type of situation. So we went and figured out why this was moving, and this is incredible. So Forbes did a story in the last 48 hours that just hit the internet. And here you're seeing it right here. Edge and Node, a new software company, software development company, is launched by the Graph protocol team. I'm not going to go through this article because it's a little bit over my head. And if I try to explain what the Graph is, I'm going to give you the easiest way to state this. They're basically a coin where the project behind them has to do with indexing information and data. So it's almost like I don't want to say it's the Google of the blockchain, but that's probably way too simple. But let's say it is a indexer, and they're actually people themselves that are working these nodes are helping to bring together data, and then that data is going to be sold, so to speak, through these nodes that people set up. And I know I'm probably brutally screwing up the the way of discussing what the Graph is. This article does a phenomenal job. The point is, this article hits mainstream media, Forbes, and we see a 55% increase on the cost of the coin. It's truly incredible. So if you want to read this article, I highly recommend it. Just go to Google and put in Forbes and put in the Graph, Forbes, the Graph. And you can see this incredibly positive article on indexing and governments getting involved and what the Graph does. And it's incredible. So let's go back to the price for a minute. And let's look at this chart. Let's look at the Graph on the Graph. Okay. All right, look at this. Pretty ridiculous chart. Pretty ridiculous chart. They're saying in the last 24 hours it did touch 179. Absolutely amazing. The volume on this has gone up. I think it's 50% more volume, 56% increase in market cap. Look at that. So here's the question. Here's the question. If we are lucky enough to own, and this is not the only one, we'll talk about a few other coins real fast here. This is going to be a quick video. If you were lucky enough to get in at 30, 40, 50 cents on the graph, like most of our followers were, what is your exit strategy here? What is your exit strategy? Well, everybody's different because the funds you're taking fiat money and moving in are different than other people. Maybe this is a long-term hold. Some of our people, this is an extremely long-term hold. They're not going anywhere. They're not selling any of this. And that's perfectly fine as long as you understand that there's going to be retracements. We've had massive bull run in the altcoins over the last 2 months, month and a half, whatever. You're going to have some pullbacks, retracements. Okay, does that mean bear market? No, it means retracements. If you holding on through those retracements and you're not going to have a heart attack about it, then you hold on if you have a long-term view. If you put in small money and you're looking to grow and you're looking to maneuver and trade more, then one of the things that people do is, let's say they don't want to get rid of all of their graph. They may hold on to 50% of their holdings, and so they keep a bag of graph, and then maybe on a day like today, they get rid of 10 or 20%. And that doesn't mean they're out completely. They just move their money over to Tether or US dollar coin. And maybe they're gonna move back into the graph on those retracements and buy back in. That's up to you what you want to do. We introduced yesterday a passive income opportunity. You can check out that video called DHF, Decentralized Hedge Fund. So some people will be moving some of their profits into DHF, which makes between 9 and 15% on average historically a month. Others are just going to hold it until there's another coin or a retracement. And then the third opportunity is that they're going to put some of that capital, some of their profits into long-term holdings such as Bitcoin or Ethereum or possibly Cardano. So it's up to you, and it depends on where you're at in the process here. Okay, it depends on if you're going to try to turn 500 into 5,000, which means you're going to be more active as a trader, or you already have 50,000 and you allocate a certain percentage towards Ethereum and Bitcoin and another percentage towards passive income opportunities like DHF, and the rest goes into trading coins in and out. It depends on what you're looking to accomplish here. So that's the graph. So while we're here, real quickly, we're going to go over some of the other coins that most of our followers have been in for a while. If you go to number 42, you'll see Algorand. Algorand's another coin that we got into. Let me see where we got into this. We personally got into this in the 40s, okay, in the low 40s, and we have a bag of Algorand. We haven't sold any of it, and today you're seeing a 25% move in Algorand as well, up to 123. So the same thing goes here. You're seeing almost a 3xer here. Do we pull money off the table here? Possibly. Okay, possibly. The problem with pulling money off the table in the graph today is, if you look at it from a dollar point of view, many people have 3x, 4x, 5x their profits here already. But in the graph, this news just came out, which means that this could actually be the start of this move, not necessarily the top of the move. Your guess is as good as mine. But remember, anytime you pull any level of profits out, you're a winner. It doesn't matter where the coin goes after that. Don't give yourself a heart attack looking at what you could have made. Be happy about what you made. And if you're only taking 10 or 20% off, you can always move back in. No one says when you sell a percentage of your coins, you can't go back in. There's no bar, there's no fence there. You can pull back in you can move back in on any type of retracement if that's part of your game plan. So in Algorand, this has been a slow, steady move up to 123. You can certainly pull 10 or 15% out or pull it all out. It's up to you. It's up to your strategy. We're not moving out of Algorand at the moment. Okay, we're not moving anything out of there, but that's up to you to make that decision. So let's take a look at some other coins that that our members are in right now, just to show you. I mean, we are just crushing it here. Obviously, our long-term hold is Bitcoin. We have a little bit of Bitcoin. Most of our members have a little bit of Bitcoin. Ethereum, we've been increasing our Ethereum over the last 2 years. We're in Ethereum between 125 when we first recommended it. to our family and friends in April when the pandemic started, you could have bought Ethereum at 125, 130. That's when we were recommending it to new people. And you're seeing us basically at the cusp of 1800, which is around the all-time high, right around there. Where this is going from here, we know it's going higher. Is it going to go higher today or tomorrow? We don't know. We're in this long term. Ethereum for us is a $5,000 coin, no doubt about it. When it gets there, I'm not making a prediction, but Ethereum is something everybody should own a piece of Ethereum. If you have some Bitcoin, obviously it's the same thing. The number 4 coin is $1 million maker. In our eyes, the next 2 coins, okay, Cardano. Cardano is number 4. Cardano was stuck in the mud for quite a while, and it was trading in the 25 to 35 cent range for quite a while. It busted out just a week ago to 40 cents, and now we're looking at 91 cents. So a lot of our subscribers were able to get into Cardano in the 40 to 50 cent area. Okay, we actually started accumulating at 27 cents. So this is insane. We're looking for Cardano's next big move to be the $2 range. We're looking at a $9 midterm target this year at some point. I don't know when. I can't tell you 5 months or 12 months, but we're looking at a $9 Cardano. This is going to make a lot of people's portfolios explode if you're patient with Cardano. Cardano is not even available on Coinbase yet. The Coinbase momentum explosion will happen when Cardano is listed on Coinbase. A lot of people, a lot of rumors that that's going to be happening very soon. You need to have a bag of Cardano. Buy it on the dips, as we always say. Don't buy it at when it's green. Buy it when it's red. Dollar cost average in. Maybe you'll get lucky and we'll have a few dips where you can buy it back down at the 70 something range. Who knows? I don't know, but slowly move your way into Cardano. Get a bag of it. And last but not least is one of our biggest movers for the last 4 months. If you were lucky enough to be following us on Polkadot, Polkadot has been incredible. We were buying Polkadot between $3 to $5, $3 to $4.50. Polkadot is hitting record highs right now. It's the number 6 ranked coin. It's at 25.34 today. It's up 9% for the day, 24% approximately for the last 7 days. Is it too late to get into Polkadot? Well, let me ask you this. Was it too late to get into Ethereum at 125? Was it too late to get into Ethereum at $10 the first go round when it went to 1200? Was it too late to get in then? Was it too late to get into Ethereum at 700? No. So Polkadot is a coin that you want to buy only on the dips as well, and hold on. Sorry for the phone, guys, in the background. That's it for today. I just wanted to do a quick update on what's going on and why the graph is moving. Please follow us on Instagram, which is at geek_assets, at geek_assets. We'll be putting information for new people when we open up the opportunity for people to subscribe to our email newsletter. But for right now, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel for further updates. And we will be opening up the newsletter opportunity for subscription very, very quickly. We're just not ready to do that today. Have a great day. Be safe. Check out all of our crypto videos. And remember, this is actually a comic book channel. So if you want to watch something fun that has nothing to do with cryptocurrency, go back and watch some of our comic book videos. And as we always say, diversify. Our comic book fans are diversifying into crypto. Our crypto people will be diversifying into graded comic books to have physical assets. We're going to be doing a video on that in the very near future. Lots of ways to make money, lots of ways to have fun, lots of ways to enjoy getting wealthy and having fun at the same time, and that's what we're here to do. We want to take you guys along for the ride. Remember, the journey is not a straight road up. There's going to be bumps in the road. There's going to be retracements. Make sure you play it tight. Make sure you play it correctly. Don't go over your head. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify and always have funds ready to buy when these coins are on sale. That's when you make your money, when the coins are on sale. We haven't had a lot of sales in the last few weeks. We've only been making money. But make sure you're ready to pounce when some of these drop 10, 15, or possibly 20%, because you're going to make money overnight on those retracements. Have a great time. Make sure you follow us, like I said, on Instagram. We'll be back real soon. And everybody check out the Forbes article on the graph. Be safe and be in profits. Bye-bye.